Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to disable a Roblox Game Pass. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. Go to the Roblox website. Then sign in to your account. Click Create. Then select your experience. Go to Monetization. Then click Passes. Select the Game Pass you want to disable. Click Sales. Turn item for sale off. Or disable the on sale option. Your Game Pass will no longer be available for players to purchase. At the moment, Roblox does not allow creators to permanently delete a Game Pass after it has been created. Disabling the sale is the only available option. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.